With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here the question says drone honeybee lives for, so here we have to say the lifespan of drone honeybee. The options are given here: 1 week, 5 weeks, 10 weeks or 15 days. So these drone bees actually they are the male bees in the hive, and these male bees don't go for any work like pollen collection or nectar collection. Even these male bees don't have sting. The main function of these male bees is to mate with queen bee for reproduction. And after the reproduction process, they die. But in natural, the drone honeybees lives for 10 weeks. Our other options are wrong here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.